In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can find the share code of custom designs and liveries here in Forza Horizon 6. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. If at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, first things first, you do need to make your way either over to your estate garage or to the Horizon Festival site and go into your garage. But essentially from here, tab over to cars up at the very top and you need to select designs and paints on here. Go ahead and open that up. And once you open that up, you need to go ahead and select, find new designs or whatnot. Open that up and choose whatever, community made livery or design that you want to go ahead and find that share code for. Let's just go ahead and say we want to do this cherry blossom one right here. All you have to do is press the right stick on your controller. Once you find that design and you're hovering over it, it'll show you that share code. Or what you can also do is hit P on keyboard and it's going to reveal the share code as well. You can also do this with, your own designs. Go to My Designs. You can find one on here and do the exact same thing. Just keep in mind that design that you have has to be shared first. So boom, as you can see, we got that share code right here. That is the full process. It really is as simple as that. If you guys had any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.